Hi there and welcome to... Hey there and welcome back to Northlight Photographic Workshops. I've brought you up here to Iceland. That's where I am. I've got a group up here right now and we're having a blast, and we've been up here for the last few days on a photography tour, and we've been in the north. We've had some nights of northern lights, all kinds of things, but anyway, I'm doing a full-blown longer video of this whole thing, but I thought I'd share some smaller clips with you, or shorter clips with you, and that's what I'm doing here today. So we are here near Patreksfjörður in the West Fjords of Iceland. We are very close to, well, the end of the world is what it seems like. Out here behind me, the next thing would be Greenland, about 350 miles away, I believe. But yeah, we are here at the Gardar, and the Gardar is an old kind of a historic ship here in Iceland because it was the first metal-clad ship, and I believe it's from the early 1900s. And when it came time to put it to rest, they brought it here on the shores of Patreksfjörður and ran it aground, and it's become kind of a museum piece, so to speak. But it's great to bring photographers too, and been coming here for years. Things a little worse for wear these days. They used to take a little better care of it, but I think it's just the sea air just finally got to it. But it's lasted a long time, and it still remains. And anyway, great place to bring the group family here to photograph. And you know, we've got a beautiful day here, which is not characteristic for this time. We had some pretty bad weather leading into this, and we're really glad to see this. So as you can see, the skies are clear, and tonight we're really hoping for some northern lights. So anyway, check out the video here, and there's going to be more coming. Well, hey, hope you enjoyed it, and thanks a lot for stopping by. I'll try to put up more content here pretty soon. There's going to be much more from this trip, so stay tuned, please. All right? Have a good day and take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.